What up, dog?
What up?
Ready for some shreddy?
Urban shreddy.
Are we ready? All right, let's do this. Little urban shred sesh. Dude, this is sick.
What the hell is going on?
This is sick back here. Look at these look at these woods. Dude. This is nasty. He's right. He's right there. He's looking right at me with his side eye. Oh man! Where'd he go? He's out there. Just cruising along the ocean. It's pretty sick. Oh yeah. Living the life, baby. Just pedaling along. Jeez, I actually could have climbed that. I could have climbed that, bro.
Made it up.
And I looped out because I had one hand on the handlebar. Did you?
Yeah, I fucking made it, dude.
Bro, that was gnarly coming through the sand.
I can't believe I made it up them stairs.
Dude, as soon as I hit the stairs, it got crazy traction.
Yeah, I was like,
Yeah.
I went right up them.
Quack, 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 quack. What's up, quackers? Yo, what up? Just
What up?
chilling at the overhang.
Chilling. On a little 4th of July bungalow.
Little cabana action. All right. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. I wasn't recording. Oh! What? Somebody hit the ice. Bro, did you get fucked up? He's being all careful. Eat shit on the slick. You got out here on the ice, huh? Yeah, bro. That's just greasy. He's spinning the top. Bro, what we got here? Little entrance, something. Golf course. Hell yeah. Oh my God, look at this. This is insane. Man, this is nuts. Oh, look at these jumps. Oh my God. Damn. Oh my gosh, look at this view. It's the ocean out there. All these bunkers on this golf course. Big downhill right here. Can't really tell in the GoPro, but a lot of elevation drops. Yo, dude, look at how sick this is.
Oh my God.
It's like a dream come true place. Bro, look. Bro, look at this. You know how sick it'd be just to rip across here?
This was here.
Right?
You're playing golf with
This
the
is
ocean.
dude, this is insane.
Think about when you could actually see the ocean.
No one would
Never
ever
even
know
that
this here.
giant.
We literally like come over this hill right here and just like, woo,